Welcome and/or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're going to be talking about all things related to BoxyCharm. I know that I'm really late with this July video. I'm barely going to make it in the nick of time for it to still be relevant for July, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got in my July box, and honestly why I'm going to cancel my subscription with BoxyCharm. So if you want to stay tuned and hear about all of that jazz, then just keep on watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment down below because I love to hear your opinions. So you guys know the drill with BoxyCharm. This is the box that everything comes in. I've had this is the 7th month that I've had this. I started this in January, and I've gotten some really good products from BoxyCharm. However, I'm at the point now where I'm kind of over it. Like, they didn't do anything wrong to me. Like, they didn't, you know, mail me things incorrectly or lately or late. It's just that I'm over the subscription thing. Like, all of these subscription boxes, like, I'm over them. And as you guys can see before, I used to have Ipsy and the Sephora Play boxes, but I also got over those as well. So that's really why I'm going to be canceling my BoxyCharm. It's nothing against the company or anything that they do. I do think this is a great subscription for people who don't really have a lot of makeup and want to try new things but don't want to spend all that money. And this is kind of like a good sampler box every month for you to get, because they do send really good products in here if you know that's the route that you're going to. But for someone like me who constantly is buying makeup, I'm trying to stop though, it's just kind of like superfluous and I just don't need it, and I'm just, you know, losing like 22 bucks a month when I could be using that on Starbucks or something. So that's really why I'm canceling it. Let me show you guys the final month of products that I've received from this company. And yeah, so let's just jump into this box here. You guys already know this thing comes in here and you get a little card with all of the product details and how much they cost. So for this, and they also give you coupons every month as well, so that's cool. And this month's theme is BoxyCharm Road Trippin'. That's cute. I guess if you're going on like a road trip or something. So the first product I'm going to pull out of here is going to be this Crown eyeshadow palette. This is called the Fuego eyeshadow collection, and this retails originally for $29.99, so about $30. Let me just get her out. And this is what she looks like on the inside. This is a very pretty palette. The colors are super like warm tone, and you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, and I think like 3 satins, or the rest are satins. But this is really pretty, and like these 2 shades here, or wait, these 2 shades, I definitely feel like I have in my Too Faced Just Matte Peachy palette, but that's like literally not, you know, even the same thing. I've never tried Crown brush eyeshadows. I think I have 1 or 2 brushes from them, but I've never tried their eyeshadows, so I don't really know how this would perform. But what I can tell you is that I'm not too impressed with this palette. Like, to me, it's just another warm tone palette. Like, obviously it might perform really well. That much I don't know, so I'll definitely give it a chance. But I actually think I might save this for like a giveaway or something and not use it at all, just because I do think these colors are really pretty, and I do want to do a giveaway soon, but I just, you know, I don't want to use this and then for somebody to be like, you gave me something to use. But whatever, that's the first product. Next product we have is this blush from this company called Note Cosmetics, and this is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and this retails for $11.99. Let me show you guys the shade in here. It looks like this. It's kind of like a nice peachy color. However, this won't show up on me. Like, I would definitely have to build that up. It's just like, yeah, that's nothing. You can barely see that. So I would have to definitely build this up, but this is cute and I would keep this one. So that's a plus. Then the next products I have in here. So I have this, oh dear, what company is this? This is Cella Beauty, their eyebrow cream, and it retails for $26. This retails for $26. I wouldn't buy this for 26 cents. Number one, this isn't the right shade for me because this is like some shade called taupe, and I've noticed that with BoxyCharm, whenever they send me eyebrow products, it's never an eyebrow product that's going to be the color of my eyebrows. They're dark brown, brunette, maybe black sometimes, but yeah. So they sent me this product and it's really weird. It's like oh dear, I can't get this out. So you have a brush on one end, and then at this bottom piece here, you have like a pomade inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, not interested in that. That's just, next, bye. Last two products that we have in here, we have this mascara from Wander Beauty. This is their volume and curl mascara. This retails for $24. And let me show you guys the brush, because I always judge mascaras on the brush and then the formula. This is a decent brush and it's kind of curved, so I like that. I will definitely keep this because you can never have too many mascaras, especially because you have to throw them out like every 6 months, so you always need some good backups that you haven't used. So I'll keep this somewhere for, you know, when I run out of my favorites or something. And the last product in here is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. That's a lot of no more. And this bad boy here retails for 42 big ones. Yikes. And it says that it's going to depuff your under eye bags and have you looking youthful with rested eyes. I definitely will be using this because I don't have bags that sink under my eyes. I have bags that like puff out, like they form like a little puff, and I need like a depuffer. Dr. Brandt usually has really good skincare products, so I will definitely be testing this one out and seeing where it goes. Hopefully it does what it says it will do. So yeah, guys, those are all of the products in my July BoxyCharm, and as I said previously, this is my final BoxyCharm for some time, or until, like, I don't know, I feel like I need it again. But watch next month actually have really great products. I just know my life, but it's okay. I'm gonna cancel it. I have enjoyed it for the months that I did have. I have a lot of great products thanks to BoxyCharm, and I really wouldn't go back or anything. And I have, like I said before, this is no hate or anything towards the company. I just don't think I need this, and it's extra money that I'm spending that I shouldn't be spending to begin with, because I'm about to start grad school and your girl is broke. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more or see my past BoxyCharm videos, go ahead and you know, look that up. It's gonna pop up right after this. I have a whole playlist on these videos if you just, you know, were curious about things that I've gotten in the past because you wanted to check this brand out. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and before we leave, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, as well as follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those are _it's_Gilly. Everything will be linked down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial or video, whichever one comes first. Bye!